So a room in a house with dimensions of 4 metres by 5 metres is to be extended. Both the length and the width are to be increased by X metres. Okay, so how would we increase the length and the width by X metres, sorry? How would that look?
You would add X metres onto 5.
Yes.
5 plus X.
Yep, you could do it that way. It could be 5 plus X. Or it could be X plus 5, yeah?
Yep.
And 4 plus X, or it could be X plus 4. Good. Both of them mean exactly the same. Excellent. All right. Find an expanded expression for the area of the new room. So what's our formula for an area of this room? What's the area formula?
A equals length times width.
Excellent. A equals length times width. And they're saying find an expanded expression for the area of the new room, because the new room's going to come out somewhere. We just don't know where. Yeah. So we're going to have X plus 5 times X plus 4. Whoops. Okay. Or that looks like this. Yeah. And then you can solve that, can't you?
Yeah.
You can start using this process. See, I'm not going to do it for you. We can start using that process and we can solve that. And then they say, with your new formula here, with your new formula, let x equal 3. So you'll put 3 into everywhere x appears in that new formula, and you'll travel from there.
And then you work out the area.
Well, that will give you the area, and then you'll have to work out by how much is the area increased. You should be able to do that.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll challenge you to try it, and then we can go back over it.
Yeah.
Alright? So what they're asking you to do, first of all, is expand the brackets out, and then solve for m. So expand, then solve. So
I was doing it right, and then the answer was...
So we do 3m, because remember there's a times in here, and then 3 times positive 4, remember that sign belongs to the number which follows it. So 3 times 4 is 12, positive 12, okay, equals 31. It's this that we take across first, so we're left with 3m equals 31, and if we've got positive 12 up there, when we bring it over it becomes, because to get rid of it, to get rid of positive 12 on this side, we've got to take 12, yeah? Because that'll leave us with none there, won't it? So what we do to one side, we must do to the other. This is sort of your thinking, alright, and this is your doing. So it's 31 take 12. Did you understand that process, or you sure? Yep. So 3m equals 31 take 12, which I think is 19. Is that right? Might have got my maths wrong there, so I'll check. 31 take 12, 19. Okay, so 3m equals 19. Alright, how do we get rid of the 3? Can we do that? There's a times in here. Good. This is your thinking in purple. 3 divided 3. This is your doing. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. M will therefore equal 19 divided by 3. Okay, we can simplify that. We can say how many 3's go into 19. I know 5 3's are 15, 6 3's are 18. 6 3's are 18, leaves you with 1/3 left over. Is that okay? Yeah? Do you want me to go? You were? Okay, so question 5, page 93. Solve each of the following equations. 5b equals 4b plus 1. Yeah? So what we're trying to do is we are trying to collect like terms. So we could collect like terms by saying 5b, and again, Ellen, your thinking is to get rid of 4b on this side, I could take 4b. Yeah, but what I do to that side, I must do to this side. So this becomes 4b will equal 1, yeah? 5b take 4b is,
1 mil.
yep, we'll just leave it like that, b equals 1. You've solved, you now know what b equals. Alright, you can put it back in by saying, this is our original phrase, 5b equals 4b plus 1. 5 times 1, we think it's 1, equals 4 times 1 plus 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5.
And
Coming to you, Jared.
I got A, B, and C.
So we'll have question 5, page 93. I'll do D. So 3m take 8 equals 2m. So again, we're collecting like terms. I'll do your thinking, or the thinking you should do in your head in purple. Okay, the thinking you should be saying is, I've got 3m here, and I want to bring it over to this side. So the only way I can do that is to take 3m. Do you agree? That leaves you with negative 8. You've got to remember that this sign belongs to the number. Okay? So your next line would read negative 8 equals 2m, take 3m. Yeah? Negative 8 will equal 2m take 3m gives you what? What's that? Minus 1m. Minus 1m. Minus m equals negative 8. Yeah? We could say, flip them over, and we could say m equals 8, and we can again check it and go through that process. But I'm happy for you to leave it like that.